If you are using Facebook and you have not secured your account, especially in 2025, you are putting yourself at risk, guys. These days, hackers don't need to know much about you. With just your phone number or email address, they can try to take over your account. And once they are in, they can message your friends, scam people, or even change your Facebook password and lock you out completely. Now, imagine losing access to your Facebook account overnight. All your memories, your business page, your contacts gone. And that is why this video is very important, guys. So today I'm going to show you one simple but powerful step that can protect your Facebook account from getting hacked. It is called two-factor authentication. And trust me, guys, once you activate it, your account becomes way harder to break into, even if someone knows your password. And not to worry, I will break everything down in a very simple way, step by step. So even if you are not tech savvy, you will still understand and be able to do it yourself. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook app and make sure you are logged into the account you want to secure. Now click on the three horizontal lines, the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down again and look for password and security. Once you open that, you will see different security options. But what we are focusing on in this video is the two-factor authentication. So once you tap on two-factor authentication, Facebook will show you a few options for how you want to receive your security codes. So you will see text message and other additional security option. But for beginners, and the easiest option is the text message. So just tap on text message, which is SMS, and choose the phone number you want Facebook to send your calls to. If your phone number is already linked to your account, you will just click on confirm to confirm it. So after selecting the method, tap continue and Facebook will send a 6-digit code to your phone number for confirmation. Enter that code and boom, your two-factor authentication is now on. So from now on, anytime someone tries to log into your account from a new device, they will need that code, not just your password. Now, let me tell you why this thing is very powerful, guys. Even if someone gets your Facebook password, maybe through a scam link or data leak, they still won't be able to log into your account because they will be asked for a second code, and that code goes to only your phone. So without that second code, they are stuck. And just like that, you have added a strong lock to your account. It is like having a house with two strong doors. A thief may open the first one, but if they meet another lock iron gate, they may likely give up and move on. And don't worry, once this is set up, Facebook won't keep disturbing you with codes. You will only get asked when someone tries to log in from a new phone or computer, or if Facebook feels something suspicious is happening on your account. So if you have not turned on two-factor authentication before, now is the best time to do that. It takes less than 5 minutes, but it can save you from losing everything overnight, guys. Just turning on that one setting can protect your Facebook from hackers and save you a lot of stress later. If this video helped you, like this video so more people can see it, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more helpful content like this one. And if you have already secured your account, drop a comment in the comment section and let others know it will work for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.